Pests and diseases can spread easily and have the potential to threaten our environment and agricultural industries. Under the Biosecurity Act 2014, everyone is responsible for managing biosecurity risks that are under their control. That's why it is important we practice come clean and go clean when entering, leaving or moving between agricultural properties to reduce the biosecurity risk of spreading pests and diseases. In this video, we will be focusing on the clean down of vehicles, clothing and footwear, equipment and machinery. Prior to travelling, prepare a biosecurity kit for your vehicle. This will assist you in your inspection and cleaning. You will need to speak to the property owner or manager about what clean down requirements and facilities are available before you intend on visiting an agricultural property. It is a good opportunity to ask the property owner or manager about what pests or diseases they are most concerned about and what you should be doing to reduce the risk of bringing this matter on or off the property. If you don't need to drive on the property, it is recommended you leave vehicles outside of the farm gate, or if advised by the property owner or manager, drive to a designated visiting parking bay on the property. You will need to conduct an inspection of your vehicle if you intend on driving onto the property. Start with the main areas that can harbour weed seeds, soil and other risk material. These are the wheels, in particular the wheel arches and tyre tread, and the underbody of your vehicle. Inspect the vehicle thoroughly and remove any visible soil and debris using a hose and stiff brush. Once these areas are visually free of any soil, a disinfectant spray should then be applied to these areas. Check the grill and air intake filter for any seeds and plant material. Visually inspect the cargo areas, such as the boot or the tray of a utility vehicle. Remove debris by hand or use a high-pressure air hose. Inside the vehicle, remove the floor mats and make sure they're clean and disinfected. It is recommended you have rubber floor mats as they are easy to remove and clean. Visitors must ensure clothing and footwear are visually free of any dirt, soil or debris before entering. Consider the type of clothing that you might wear, including footwear that is easy to clean and clothing that is easy to launder. Using a foot bath containing water, step into the bath containing detergent and remove any soil and debris from the footwear with a stiff brush. Step out of the foot bath onto a clean area such as a tub. If required by the property owner or manager, spray your footwear, including the soles, with a disinfectant solution. If you are visiting multiple agricultural properties on the same day, you may consider having spare clothing and footwear. Alternatively, clean these items between visits at an appropriate location using the biosecurity kit in your vehicle. Earth-moving machinery and other all-terrain vehicles should be cleaned down before entering or leaving an agricultural property. Clean and disinfect all equipment and machinery before and after use. Only bring essential equipment with you on site to minimise the risk of contamination. When taking items off the property, ensure they are clean to avoid spreading pests and diseases into new areas. Discuss with the property owner or manager where the most appropriate location is to clean your vehicle, machinery and equipment. A list of approved disinfectants is available on the Australian Pesticides and Veterinary Medicines Authority website, ensuring that any disinfectant is applied in accordance with either the label or permit instructions. A biosecurity toolkit helps manage risks when you travel to areas that do not have clean down equipment. For a complete list of what you should include in your biosecurity toolkit, visit our website. Biosecurity is everyone's responsibility. Do your part to ensure Queensland's agricultural industries are protected from pests and diseases.